Hi, my name is John Kay, and I'm excited to take a few minutes and tell you a little bit about my company, Treats from the Heart. Treats from the Heart is a home-based nonprofit company headquartered in Santa Rosa, California. Currently has two company officers, myself serving as President and Chief Executive Officer, and Brenda Kay, my wife, serving as Chief Operations Officer and Production Specialist. Relevant experience by each of us. I was a small business owner for 13 and a half years and honed my leadership and management skills during my 20-year military career. Brenda was also a business owner for 4 years and is known as the Queen of the Chocolate Chip Cookie. Our vision is to become a global nonprofit franchisor, strengthening communities and families, and secondly, unifying the efforts of other nonprofit companies. Our mission statement right now is to enjoy a sweet treat in support of those in need. Problems that we have solved is caring for the poor and needy while increasing visibility of their plight and the changing the hearts of the people. We have a 5-step business process. The first step is to advertise in order to solicit buyers and donors. Secondly, obtain raw materials to produce and package cookies. Third, produce and package the cookies. Fourth, distribute the cookies to shelters and customers. Collect the donations for charity. And lastly, donate the profits to entrepreneurs in third world countries. Currently, we are seeking an individual with experience in logistics to help us streamline our delivery process. What makes us unique? We are completely run and operated by volunteers, united in a higher purpose. Our current benefactors are Santa Rosa Shelters, where we extend a caring hand to the needy and get families and individuals serving together, and third world country entrepreneurs, where we strengthen community economies by creating jobs and empowering families and individuals, such as Din, who lives in Vietnam and supports her family with their poultry business. Gross financial objectives for the first year, we were looking at annual sales of $1,200, average sale $10, number of customers 120. Financials for month 1, we had 6 orders received. The average donation was $11.66. Cost of raw materials, packaging, and distribution per order is $2.50, leaving us with a profit of $55. Based on those numbers, our first year projections are 72 orders, gross revenue of $900, and a net profit of $741.60. Future growth, we would like to be able to broaden advertising to reach out with a larger net in our community. We want to find new resources and increase number of volunteers. We expect a 500% increase in orders during year 2, with net profits in that same year of $2,700. One thing that I would do differently, more accurately forecast logistics. And what was successful is the key to our success, and that is finding volunteers. If I had additional time, I would seek pro bono service from a marketing company, increase the number of production locations, seek a mentor to assist in developing an ever-expanding nonprofit business plan, and work on a plan to expand operation to neighboring cities. Benefits to investors and philanthropists is this is an opportunity to give back, not just financially, but in any way that you would like to share the success you've had in business and make a difference in the lives of others. How big can this company get? There is no limit to the size this company can get. It is based on the strength of people's hearts, and I know that there's much good we can do, and we will hope that you will consider investing with this company and helping us to extend our hand to the needy. Thank you for your time.